In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up and run a football squares game, also known as a Super Bowl squares game, for completely free online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get started, I would recommend going to onlinefootballsquares.com. This is the website that I'm going to be using to demonstrate this. Not sponsored or anything. This is just a pretty good website, but you can use other websites if you'd like. But the reason I recommend this site is because it is completely free. You don't need to create an account or enter an email either. Everything is managed through a shareable link, which gives you live scoring and automatic winner tracking. But once you're on this site, go ahead and select create your game. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is choose whatever sport you'd like the NFL, college football, basketball, NHL. There's manual games if you want to enter in these scores yourself. In this case, let's just go ahead and say we want to do the NFL because we specifically want to do the Super Bowl, right? Search for the Super Bowl, or you can manually enter in all of this information. It really is up to you. But after you selected, go ahead and go down to the standard options right here, and I would recommend just keeping it on standard options because then it's going to be those normal rules, but it'll autofill everything. If you want, you can enter in an admin password, which lets you manage the game, fix issues, make changes if needed. There's also a player password, which is optional. If it is enabled, players will need to enter in this password to view or join the board. Then of course you have a custom message as well that you can also enter in, as well as a game title. Essentially, hit I agree, hit create game, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do now is hit copy link up at the very top and send this to whoever you like so they can go ahead and join. How the players are going to pick their square is they're going to click an open square literally anywhere, just like so, and then they'll enter in a name. For example, I'll just put in my name right here, Aiden, hit save, and as you can see, that's where my square is going to be. You just keep going over this over and over and over until obviously all these squares are claimed. And during the game, the current score is going to be shown up at the very top right here. At the end of each quarter, the site's going to highlight the winning square, and winners are going to be clearly marked over in this area right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.